What's going on, guys? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor, and today I'm coming at you with a fire video showing you how you can start making money online today. Whether you're broke or anywhere around in the world, you can start making over $100 a day using this method in 2019. Not many people are talking about this, and if they are talking about it, they're not using it the right way. So we're going to get straight into it. I don't want to waste your time. This is about a website called Muncheye. Now, Muncheye, what we're going to be doing with this is something called lunch jacking. If you ever heard of lunch jacking, you probably heard about it. You probably heard people talk about it, but they don't know how to use it the right way. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use it the right way, but you got to stay through the whole video so you don't miss a step. If you miss a step, this will not work. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to be talking about an opportunity for $1 where you can start earning big books. Like, it's an insane value, but just stay tuned. We'll get to that. Until then, let's talk about Muncheye. So Muncheye is pretty much a database for people that's launching courses. Now, this is used by course creators to bring hype around their course. Now, what kind of courses? I mean, like, what do you mean by this? So, you know, when a movie is about to come out, you start seeing advertisements about the movie. They're already pre-selling the movies. That's why you can pre-order tickets, or you know, you already got that hype. You know, you want to go see that movie. So people that make courses put their course on. They can get that hype before the courses even come out. Now, where do you come in when it comes to making money? All right, so what you want to do is go to Google or whatever your search provider is. Type in Muncheye. Here it is at the top. Muncheye, right? You'll type in Muncheye, and once you get to Muncheye, you'll see all the kind of lunches. You'll have big lunches and all lunches. So if you really want to get into this deep and really get to moving, start making these commissions, making money, you want to do big lunches, preferably the ones that have the yellow, because these are sponsors. So that means that these people are paying money to be at the top. So they already got the bread. So they paying out money. So they're not going to have no problem with paying you. But most of the time, I just be like, you know, go to the top 3. All right. So we're going to check out the Tide Gross or Tide Gross Mobi first. And I'm going to explain to you what it is and, you know, what some of this stuff means and how you're going to use it to start making money. All right. So here we go. Let's look at this. All right. So this is going to be hosted from JVZoo. Now, this is important because if you're not a member of JVZoo or Warrior Plus or ClickBank, you would need to be a member for those platforms so you can start being an affiliate for these people that's selling the courses. So what I advise you to do, go over to ClickBank, or you can check out one of my videos. I think I put it in the description. I put it in the description below, or I put it up above me about how to use ClickBank and about getting on ClickBank, right? So you'll want to get one of those platforms, get registered for the platform so you can start being an affiliate. So let's talk about this product right here. This product, Mobi First, right? The front end price is $37 to $67. And if you get somebody to buy this course, you're going to get 50% of that. So you're going to get $37 to $67. Now, here's the thing. You're probably wondering, like, well, Trey, how am I going to get people to buy this course? Where am I going to get this traffic from? And this is where the lunch jacking thing comes in. I'm about to tell you right now, a lot of people are not utilizing this the right way. But if you're on this video, you're about to learn a secret to how these people are really making this money and making the big bucks. If you look to the side of this, it says June 10th, right? So that means that this course is going to come out June 10th, which is so for 2 days, what you need to be doing is getting on YouTube, creating a YouTube channel with this word, with this title, Tide Gross, Gross. I'm probably pronouncing his name wrong. Mobi First. I'm just gonna say Gross for the rest of the video. Tide Gross. Make a channel with that keyword. You can say Tide Gross Mobi First review channel. You can say Tide Gross Mobi review, Mobi First something. Just, you know, make that channel so when people are start looking, because they're going to do their own marketing also, but we all know they're probably not going to buy from there first. They want to review, they want to see what this is talking about, what it's all about. And that's where you come in. They're going to find your channel because you have that keyword in there, or you have the review, right? So you have 2 days pretty much to set all this up. And it's simple to set up a YouTube channel. It takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So once you set that channel up, you will want to go to that link, and you'll want to become asked to be affiliate for it early. If you're not a part of JVZoo or Warrior Plus or ClickBank, you have to make an account. Now, me personally, I would choose the ones that have ClickBank beside them. Reason being is because ClickBank is very, very simple for beginners. All you have to do is find the course that you want to promote, and then you hit the promote button. It will give you a link. Then you can go in and look at the affiliate page that the course has set up. You can learn everything you need to know about their product. So you can go and make a video about their product and put the link in the description and say, hey, if you guys really want to check out this, I hope this review help you. Go check it out. You know, I think it's a good program, and they'll click that link, and when they buy it, you get the commission. The only thing about JVZoo and Warrior Plus is that you have to get certified by the people that's selling the course. It's not hard to do, but you know, just some people they're not good English speakers, or if the course is in English, or they're just not good people overall. So the course owner wants to make sure that they're a good person promoting this product or promoting their product. ClickBank is a little more lenient on that because they're more beginner friendly, but they also have less commissions when it comes to this. So JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you're gonna get more commissions, more flexibility. But if you're a beginner and you're just trying to get into this thing, you want to get ones with ClickBank. So that is lunch jacking. Now, what I was going to talk about at the end of this video is how to make money with YouTube. So if you stayed all the way to the end, awesome. You're about to get a value that's not going to be around for a long time. If you look in the description, there's a link to a course right now. It's for $1. This course is over a value over $300 some, but right now it's for $1. You can get it for $1 for a trial. You go down there, you click it, and it'll teach you exactly how to make money on YouTube, exactly how to do it step by step. And I advise you to go take it if you want to get into the YouTube space. If you want to start creating passive income, that's the thing you want to do. And it's just $1. What can you lose with just spending $1? You know, $1 could really change your life in this instance. So if I was you, I go down in the description, check that out. But yeah, so that's the bonus on tip. So if you stay, congratulations, you're going to get that. The other people are not going to get that. So you're going to learn how to start making videos and start getting paid on YouTube by doing really little work, right? So anyway, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm going to be doing daily videos for the next 30 days and showing my progress as I'm doing it, right? So here we go. We about to get it in. I hope you have a great day and go out there and make some money.